I'm going to talk about identity operators in Python, right? So, what are identity operators? Identity operators are used to determine whether two variables refer to the same object in memory or not, right? So, there are two types of identity operators. First one is operator, right? What does it mean? The is operator returns true if both variable uh, the is operator returns true if both variables refer to the same object in memory. Suppose we have a x is equal to 10, right? So this is the memory location x in which we have stored value 10, right? Now I want to check y is equal to x, right? Now I want to print x is y, right? So it returns true. Why? Because the different variable x is a x and y both are different variables, but the object 10 is same. That is why the same object with the different variables, right? You can put like that way. X is equal to 10, right? So this is the true. If you will put over here 5, then it will return what? The false, right? Means that we don't have a same object with the different variables, right? So this is called the is the operator in identity operators, right? We call it as a x, right? We run this program, we will get what? True, right? So now the second type is not operator. The is not operator returns true if both variables refer to the different objects in the memory. It refers that different variable with the different memory objects, right? So suppose x is equal to 10, right? Y is equal to 5. So we have different variables with a different memory. We have a different variable with the different objects, right? Now I want to print x is not y, right? Now we will run this program, you will get true. If you will, then it will return what? The false, right? So this is all about the identity operators in Python, right? If you're new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.